What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I'm bringing you this 2-story unfinished house for sale at Cockatiel Drive, Milk River, Clarendon. 2-story building, unfinished in nice development. The size of the lot is 6,218 square feet. So let's take a look at this property and you can comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. If you're interested in purchasing, there's contact information down in the description for the sales agent. So here's the property guys. So that's the property guys. This house is going for 15 million Jamaican dollars. So if you're interested in purchasing, there's contact information down in the description for the sales agent. Comment down below, let me know what you think of this property. If you like this video, drop a like in it, and if you're new to the channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time guys, I will see you.